This channel is only 30 days old, but it has gained over 100,000 subscribers. 4 out of his 5 long-form videos have over 100,000 views. I'm gonna show you exactly how to clone a channel like this using 100% free AI tools. This video is a full course on how you can replicate a channel like this. It's gonna cover everything from setting up the channel the right way, finding viral video ideas, creating these videos, creating click-up thumbnails, and publishing the video the right way. I'm gonna grab you by hand and guide you through each and every step of the way. According to Social Bread, this channel is making about $3,000 to $47,000 per month. Let's dive in. The first step to creating a successful YouTube channel is finding a viral niche. And since we've already chosen the perfect niche, let me show you another channel that is crushing it in this niche. This channel has published only 82 videos but has over 41 million views. And according to Social Blade, in the last 30 days, this channel has gotten over 99,000 subscribers, 5.4 million views, and has made about $22,000. If this doesn't convince you that this is the viral niche, I'm not sure what will. One thing you might have noticed about these successful channels is their strong and consistent channel branding. Now let me show you how to create this strong and consistent channel branding. First of all, let's create a man behind our channel. If you study these channels, they do have one person behind the channel. The yellow dude has this yellow dude behind the channel. Captain Workout has this black dude behind the channel. So I wanted to do the same. So I took the screenshot of this character and I took it to Banana Nano. Inside Banana Nano, I wanted to change two things. I wanted to change the letter on the forehead as well as the color of my main character. So I changed the color to brown and I changed the letter to V because I had a name in mind. Let's continue with our channel branding. Next, we're gonna create the channel logo, the channel banner, the channel description, as well as the channel tags. First, to create a channel logo, we're gonna go to canva.com. Once you sign up with canva.com, you're gonna be greeted with an interface like this. Just say YouTube logo and you're gonna see tons of templates. Just click the template that you like most. In my case, I liked this Mafia template, so I click it and I uploaded my channel character and I changed the name. The name that I had in mind was the Victorious Workout. I wanted the V to match with the Victorious. Download your logo and now let's create our YouTube banner. Go back to the search bar and search YouTube banner and tons of templates are gonna load as well. Just click the one that you like most. I liked this one, so I clicked on it. In terms of customization, in my case, I increased the size of this subscribe button and then I added the channel name. I added the tagline. I just said fitness coach, and finally I put in my main character, the one that I created in Nano Banana. Now that we have our channel logo and our channel banner, let's create the actual YouTube channel. For this one, you're gonna use a Gmail account. Sign in onto your Gmail account and go to youtube.com. If you haven't created any channel with your Gmail account, there's gonna be a button here. It's gonna say create. Click on create and this interface is gonna load. And once you're on the home page, you're gonna click on customize channel. If this is the first time doing this, a banner is gonna pop up asking you to confirm if you want to continue with customization. Just click on continue and you're gonna land on this platform. Upload your channel banner right here and upload your YouTube logo that we created in canva.com. To finish off our channel branding, we need to create channel tags and channel description. So what I like to do first is to create channel tags before channel description. So for the tags, let's go to rapidtags.io. In here, paste your channel niche or your keyword, and the tool gives you a bunch of tags. Before pasting the tags in our YouTube channel, first we need to create the description. For this one, I went to ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I said, I'm creating a YouTube channel under fitness niche. Give me a niche description. Here are my channel tags. And then I copied all the tags and pasted them there. And ChatGPT gave me a well-structured search engine optimized channel description. So I copied the channel description to my YouTube channel. I pasted the channel description inside there and I edited where there was a channel name and I put Victorious Workout, my channel name. Next, I went to settings and inside the channel, there was a place where I was supposed to put channel keywords. So I copied all the tags that I created and pasted them there. In advanced settings, you need to choose an option that shows that this channel is not for kids. Let's click on save and let's view how our channel is looking. Now that we are done with our channel, let's move on to creating the actual videos. The secret behind any viral video is an idea. We need to have a viral idea. In our case, because we already know the kind of videos that we want to create, it's going to be easy. First, we're gonna go to the channels that we are imitating, and we're going to find videos that are already doing great. If those videos are doing great, that means the idea is also on point. So first, let's go to Captain Workout. On this channel, I liked this video the most, so I wanted to recreate something like this. I copied the link of the video to a tool called video2text.io. I pasted the link, and in the end, I ended up with a full transcript of this video. I downloaded the transcript and I went to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, I uploaded the transcript and I asked ChatGPT to rewrite it in its own words. Once ChatGPT was done, I copied the text and saved it somewhere. At this point, instead of copying words for words, you need to add your own input. Next, we need to create our voiceovers, and for this one, we're gonna use the 11 Labs. And if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. In there, select the voice that will be suitable for this channel. In my case, I chose Brian because the voice was perfect for this niche. In 11 Labs, I copied and pasted the text from the document that I saved into 11 Labs. The key in 11 Labs is to generate the voiceovers in bits. If you just copy the entire document and paste it in 11 Labs, the voice is not going to be consistent. After I had finished creating all the voiceovers in 11 Labs, I went to ChatGPT. I uploaded a photo of my avatar in ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to give me prompts for generating images of the guy doing various workouts as mentioned in the script. And ChatGPT gave me 7 prompts for generating photos of the guy doing various workouts. I took the prompts to Nano Banana. Inside Nano Banana, one by one, I started generating the photos of the guy doing various workouts. At some point, it would bring out something totally different. So what I used to do is I would upload the photo of my avatar and I would put the prompt. And Nano Banana would generate the exact workout that I'm going for. And when I used up all the free credits in Nano Banana, I would use another account to finish creating the photos. Once I had finished generating the photos in Nano Banana, I arranged the photos in the order of the script. Once I had arranged my photos, I went to Google Viewer 3. If you still don't have Google Viewer 3, you can click on this video above to watch on how you can get access to Viewer 3 100% free. At the same time, if you don't want to use Viewer 3, you can still use Dreamina Capcut or Google Viewer 2. Google Viewer 2 is 100% free worldwide. Just go on Google and type Google Viewer 2 and click on AI Studio. To the left menu, click on Generate Media. That being said, let's move on to Google Viewer 3. Just to be clear, you can do this in Google Gemini or Google Flow. But the one that I liked most is to use Google Flow, because Google Flow allowed me to upload a photo and put the prompt. So that's what I did. I would upload a photo of the guy and the prompt that ChatGPT had generated. One by one, I generated all the videos using the photos and the prompt that ChatGPT had given me. Now that we have the voiceover and the below that we needed, it's time to put the video together in Capcut. Again, you can use any other video editor of your choice. We're using Capcut in this video because I wanted to keep everything free. Once you open up Capcut, import all your assets, your videos, your audios, and your photos into the library. And then arrange the videos and the photos based on the story in the voiceover. At the end of the day, what will matter is your own original style of editing. In my case, I used a little bit of animations, a little bit of transitions, and a little bit of assets to add originality to the video. In the end, this is the video that I created. Take a look.
If you're cranking out 200 crunches every day hoping for a six-pack, stop. That's not how you get abs. Instead, let's break it down into 3 simple, science-backed steps. Step 1. Train your abs the right way. A lot of people think abs are some special muscle that only respond to endless high-rep crunches. But that's not true. You wouldn't do 100 reps of a bench press with no weight to grow your chest, right? The same logic applies to your abs. Here's what actually works. Add resistance. Use weights, cables, or machines. Body weight alone won't be enough long-term if you want that carved, 3D look. Stick to the 5 to 15 rep range. If you can do more than 20 reps easily, it's time to increase the difficulty. Progressive overload. Keep challenging your abs over time by adding weight, reducing rest, or controlling the tempo of each rep. Train abs twice per week.
Now that we have a well-polished video, it's time to create the thumbnail. And when it comes to thumbnail, you don't have to invent the wheel as well. Just find a thumbnail that is working in your niche, take a screenshot of it, edit with AI, and make it your own, and boom, you have a working thumbnail. That's exactly what I did. I went back to the video, I found the thumbnail that I liked, I took a screenshot of it, and I went to Nano Banana. In Nano Banana, I changed the color of the characters in the thumbnail, but also I changed the letter on the forehead of the main character. I downloaded the photo and I took it to Photopea. Photopea is a free online editor just like Photoshop. In Photopea, I started with a thumbnail template and I uploaded the photo. I adjusted it so that it should have the right thumbnail dimension. I downloaded the photo. I gave the photo the name of the video that I was creating. This is good for search engine optimization. Finally, it's time to post our video to YouTube. And for this one, you're gonna go back to your channel and you're gonna click on create. Next, you're gonna upload your video inside YouTube. And once the video is loading, you're gonna upload the thumbnail and you're gonna give it the title and the description. In terms of the description, you're gonna take the title to ChatGPT. You're gonna go to ChatGPT, you're gonna paste the title and you're gonna ask ChatGPT to give you description and the tag of the video. And ChatGPT is gonna give you a well search engine optimized description as well as tags. You're gonna copy that description and those tags onto your video. One more thing, before you publish anything on your channel, you need to make sure that it is at least 7 days old. Within these 7 days, make sure you log in on YouTube using the same account, comment on people's videos, like them, subscribe to a few channels, comment on their channels, comment on their videos, comment. This will prevent you from getting 0 views when you upload your video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.